Happy summer to you. Well, summer essentials that your body is going to love. That is our topic for today. Well, summertime is taking a break, enjoying some fun time at the beach with family and friends, and also enjoying outdoor activities and the sun. Well, those are a few of my favorite ingredients that will make this the best season and the best summer yet. But when we slow down and relax a little bit, sometimes too much sun exposure and sun and the sea salt, all of those can also wreak havoc on our skin and on our hair. So did you know that essential oils can be a great solution for damaged skin and hair? So you'll definitely want to stick around today for my top summer essentials. I'm so glad that you're joining us today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to give you a tip for a natural deep conditioner. It's an easy DIY. You'll need doTERRA's lavender, peppermint, rosemary, geranium, and clary sage. All of these are excellent for supporting a healthy skin and hair, especially today we're talking about hair. So bring your hair back to life, help it be soft and smooth. So 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 8 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oils. You'll mix these up on high heat and on high speed for about 5 minutes until it's about thick and whipped and creamy consistency. Then you'll apply it to your dry, clean hair. Comb through with a wide tooth comb. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll rinse and shampoo in style as you normally would do that. So you can repeat this as often as 1 time a week and as needed for more support for your hair. Be sure to go to RoxySaran.com if you are ready to hop in and get started with doTERRA essential oils. I would love to help you right at RoxySaran.com. Well, the second one I want to give you today is a Skin After Sun Soothing Spray. Well, the sun is lovely, but overexposure can cause irritation. And maybe for feelings of discomfort, you're gonna love this spray. I love doTERRA's in the spa line. It's called the Beautiful Body Mist. It's already made for you. It's excellent for after sun. You're gonna love that. It's easy. Just grab that on your next order. Or I love the Yarrow Palm Serum, the body serum. It is an excellent, easy thing that you can grab on your next order and use that for all things skin. All right. If you want to do a DIY, let me give you one. It's 1 cup of aloe vera juice, 1/4 of a cup of the fractionated coconut oil from doTERRA, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E, 8 drops of lavender, 8 drops of tea tree, and 8 drops of peppermint. You'll combine all of this in a spray bottle, shake it and spray it on your skin as needed for discomfort or just a little bit too much sun. Be sure to go to RoxySaran.com if you're ready to join us and hop in with essential oils. I would love to help you right at RoxySaran.com. All right, last but not least, for summer essentials, I love having your diffuser going. So summer vacation diffuser blend, here it is for freshness and uplifting, helping with mind and mood. And also when you're traveling to different places, you can bring the scents of home and comfort with you wherever you go. So 2 drops of mandarin, green mandarin, 2 drops of grapefruit, and 1 drop of ylang-ylang. This is beautiful and invigorating and also calming and soothing all at the same time. So you're gonna love those in your diffuser. I love the Roam diffuser because you can roam with it wherever it goes. So check those out. Go to RoxySaran.com. If you're ready to hop in and join us, we'd love to help you right at RoxySaran.com. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in our next video.